Hi everyone, so this video is going to be a little backwards because you guys know me and I don't know how to edit my videos. So you'll see in what's coming up next, I had a problem with my first purchase of this. So I just want to let you guys know, I know some of you live very far from your stores. So the situation with Michael's is if you buy in store, you have to go back to the store to resolve it. So if you live far away from a Michael's, please just double check that your product is not damaged or is not missing pieces or does not have any dead bugs in it, because you will have to go back to the store. Online like customer service, I called customer service and they're just not able to help you. They say that they have no way to refund you or solve anything. So unfortunately, I did have to drive all the way back to the store, but it's not horribly far for me. It's just I didn't want to go back out. So anyways, let's get on with the haul. Hi everyone! So I went to Michael's today. I hadn't been in a really long time and I wanted to go see what they had for Halloween. And my local store is like wiped out. There were no papers, basically no stickers. The only stickers they had I bought. So let's jump on in and see what I got. The one thing I was surprised was it looks like maybe they had just stocked these beads, because there was like a whole little end cap full of these beads. And that was basically about it for Halloween. You can tell that they were transitioning over to Christmas already. So yeah, I guess I'll go check another store maybe next week because I wanted to look at the paper. I got an email from Michael saying that their Halloween was 60% off. So that's why I went. Do those look discolored or are they just stuck? Maybe they're just stuck. So that's why I went and I wanted to go check them out. So these came out to $4. They're $9, 60% off. It's $4. And I really love the little pumpkin case. I thought that was really cute. So there's a little like clay beads up on top. There's some little silver beads. There's like those little white things are to make the bracelets. Here's the cord for the bracelets. Oh, there's like character clay pieces over here. Okay, let me open this one up. You guys, what is that? I'm kind of like skeezed out to open this now. Right now that's taking the plastic off. I was like, what is that? Is that like a real butterfly wing or like what is going on in here? Ew. I don't know. Ew, it's like broken off over here. Okay. So let's see. Okay, these are like glued to the lid. Like, look, there's like little marks that like glued to the lid. Interesting. And then this is what I wanted to see over here. I don't even know if I want to touch this now. Okay, so there's like a little like witchy pumpkin. There's an orange skull. There's a black cat. Oh, I like that black cat. And then there is a pink skull. So that's what was in there. I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to take this back. Like with these glued to the top and the container being one of the reasons why I really wanted it. I don't like that it was like glued to the top and then that like weird little wing in there. I don't know. I think I might take it back and see if they will exchange it for me because... Okay, let's put that to the side. Next I got this one. Let me check this one out before I open it. Okay, it looks okay. So this one has stars, some circle beads, alphabet beads, some more stars. And these apparently glow in the dark because it says so right there. And this one looks okay. So there's that one. And all of these are $4. There's a little ghosty. Again, I love this container. This one has the glow-in-the-dark beads right here. And this one has candy corn. And this one looks good too. Then the other one that I found was this one with these big old candy beads right there. I love those. Oh, this one has charms in it. The only thing I didn't like was I don't really care for the pony beads. I don't ever use those. But I'm going to make some bracelets and like have like a little little bag on our Disney cruise of like, you know, like come help yourself. So I'm going to use the pony beads for that. So I want to see these charms over here. Oh, these are cute. We have a little RIP little tombstone, and then we have a ghosty, and then we have a candy corn. Oh, I love these little charms. I would so buy more of those little charms. And then it does come with like to make your little bracelets here. So all of these were good. I would say definitely check out your cases before you buy them so you don't end up with something weird like mine, that these are like glued to the lid and there's some weird creature in there. Yeah, that's the only one that had that type of beads. Interesting. So there's those. I'm going to take that one back. Then for Halloween also, there were these rub-on transfers that I thought were super, super cute. And then it has little instructions on the back. So these were $3 minus 60. So I don't even know how much that came out to. Let me check my receipt here. $1.19. Wow, that's really good. I definitely need to go to another store and see if I can find more items. And then this was the only sticker book I found. It was $6, so it came out to $2.40, and it's basically labels. So I'll give you a quick little flip through. So if you want to do like little jars and you can label them, that's what I thought to do with those. And then Christmas was $40, I believe. So these came out to $2.39. So they had, I love that the Christmas trees sequence came in a Christmas tree bottle. And it looks pretty full to me. So there's that one. There were little Santa Claus clay slices. All of these were originally $4, so they all cost the same. This one is already like pre-mixed. I thought that was really cute with the little gingy. There's like peppermints. There's candy canes. There's the same Santas that were in this one are also in here. Then we had like little Christmas light bulbs. I thought that was really cute. And then it's like in this super round. But I actually like this bottle to be like a poison bottle for like Halloween. So maybe take one of these labels and stick it on there and make it be like a little poison bottle instead of a little bulb. Then I love this little stocking boot bottle. Oh my gosh. Just for this little container alone, I would so buy more of these. But I was good. I only got one of each. You guys know me. Normally I go crazy and buy a bunch, but I was really good. I'm pretty sure I have this in my stash from last year also, but this one has like little silver and gold hollow candy canes in here. So there's that one. And then the last one I found were little snowmen, which I don't think were in here, which I thought was kind of interesting that they weren't in here because the Santas were in here. I really wished it would have had a jar of just gingies, but I didn't see any, but somebody had gone through the box already. So it could be possible that they took them all. I don't know, but I would have loved some little gingies, like a jar like this. So maybe I'll go on their website and see, you know, if they offered any other little play bits. But, you know, for like, what, $2 and change, I thought this was really good because when you buy these off of like AliExpress or Temu, they don't come in like a jar already. They come just, you know, the little cane slices in a Ziploc baggie. So I thought this was a really good deal for, you know, the price, and then I don't have to wait for it. I'm not ready to do Christmas crafting yet. I am still stuck on Halloween. I had so many more ideas of what I wanted to create for Halloween. I just haven't had the time. So I'm going to have to work on that. But yeah, that's my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.